I'm recording that right now on a video. After I pick up my car from my transmission repair. Before it had this kind of noise. I paid $3,000. Got this car back. Now the noise still the same. Okay, today is Monday morning, 3:18 a.m. after work. Total mileage 24,410. Here I'm going in a drive right now. You can hear this grinding noise, same as before repairing. Now take off my foot from the gas, the noise has gone. I'm turning on night streets right now. Step on the gas. As long as you go to about 50. My $3,000 is like going down the drain. No, I'm not supposed to drive and video this, but just to prove it.